Okay, about halfway through the construction zone now, and not one person working in the first half. And it looked like the traffic was backed up for the first half of the construction zone on the southbound lane. Almost at the end of the construction zone, and no one working yet. No wonder why this is a 4-year project. Okay, I do see some people working down here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 guys working. 3-mile long project. 10 guys working, doing one thing. Real professional management. PennDOT isn't. And if this mistake is happening here in my area, it's probably happening all over Pennsylvania, costing millions of dollars, all sorts of inconvenience for the local residents, the local businesses. So far, we've had one local business go out of business already for a construction project managed for the contractor's convenience, not the public's convenience.